Day 3, Cyprus, Ayia napa, from the balcony here in Pavlinina apartments. As you can see, still the same. It's so hot. You can just see the sun there and the clouds there. I would not recommend anybody coming here on holiday because you can't do anything. It's so hot. There's a breeze, gentle breeze from the apartments. Then you can see the fun park down there in the distance, but nothing, you can't do nothing. The water is turning orange as well now. It's unbearable. It's so thick, like brick dust. See the footprints here as well, it's so thick in dust on the veranda. Can't do anything. And all the cars are turning orange. No, I would not recommend here coming here. Can't see anything.